like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily update videos of our new inventory coming in. We get 50 to 70 vehicles every week, various types of insurance losses, freshwater floods, collision damage, thefts, all makes and models. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle that just came in. The water level does not appear to be high. As you can see, engine compartment is just a little dusty. No signs of corrosion. Checking to see if the engine maybe sucked water into the intake. We'll check all the fluids and the filters before we start it. Quick walk around. Check the motor, make sure there's no water in it. Doesn't appear to be. The air filter was dry, but we'll check to make sure there's no water in any of the fluids before we try and start it. Doesn't appear that the water level looks really low. You don't see any condensation in the lights. There's no visible water line. You can see the insurance company marked the water line here, but that doesn't appear to be accurate to me. Usually you can see a visible line where the water settles. Take a look inside. See, the pockets are clean. Nice panoramic roof. Everything powers up the interior. Everything's clean under here. There's no corrosion, no rust, which leads me to believe that no water penetrated the interior in this vehicle. But you can never be too careful. We don't want to cause any damage by being hasty or not patient. Lights up. These are all good signs. Overland edition. Really nice interior. This one looks like it's going to be a builder. Anyway, once we go through it, make sure everything's working, make sure it runs, make sure everything's dry, and we'll post an update video as soon as we learn more. Thanks for watching.